Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Dead by Daylight theme on piano. We will break down this iconic, chilling piece into manageable sections. First, we will explore the right-hand melody, focusing on its distinctive four-note motif. Then, we will tackle the left-hand accompaniment, which provides a crucial rhythmic foundation. Finally, we will discuss how to combine both hands for a complete performance. Let's begin with the right hand, which carries the main melody. The iconic opening often starts on D-flat, followed by C, then D-flat again, and finally B-flat. This four-note descending pattern is repeated throughout the piece. Focus on playing these notes clearly and with a slightly detached feel. Practice slowly to ensure rhythmic precision, especially with any syncopated sections. Now, let's move to the left hand, which provides the ominous bass line. This part is often quite simple, frequently involving repeating patterns of root notes and octaves. For example, you might play a low B-flat, then an octave higher B-flat. The key is to maintain a steady, sustained, and dark tone to create that signature unsettling atmosphere. Practice this hand separately until it feels completely natural. Bringing both hands together requires patience and careful attention. Start by playing both hands at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 50 to 60 beats per minute. Once you feel comfortable, gradually increase the speed by 5 to 10 beats per minute. Pay close attention to the balance between the melody and the bass line, ensuring neither overpowers the other. Consistent, short practice sessions, around 15 to 20 minutes, will yield the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.